So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba gamitin ang SMAC and Shop app para maka-earn ng SMAC points. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And once you learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, bago kayo maka-access or makagamit ng ating SMAC and Shop app, dapat registered or meron kayong SMAC card. And make sure guys na naka-registered mismo yung inyong SMAC card. So once guys na naka-register na yung inyong SMAC card, make sure na connected din siya dito sa inyong SMAC and Shop. So yung SMAC and Shop guys is pwede nyo i-download sa Google Play Store. So after nyo ma-download, magsa-sign in lang kayo or magla-login and ilalagay nyo lang yung card number ng inyong SMAC and then yung phone number na ginamit niyo para ma-register yung inyong SMAC card. So open na natin guys yung aking SMAC and Shop. So, applicable to guys once na hindi nyo dala yung mismong card or yung actual card. So, magagamit nyo pa rin or makaka-earn pa rin kayo ng points under sa SM Store, SM Fashion, or basta under ng SMs. So, ganito guys, kung makikita nyo itong ating homepage is meron ditong QR. So, SMAC, tatap nyo lang to. And automatic lalabas yung QR code. So, yung QR code na yan guys is ipapascan nyo lang dun sa store na binilhan ninyo under SM stores and matik yan guys, maka-earn kayo ng points. So, pwede nyo din man guys gamitin is barcode. So, scan din nila yan. So, ayan guys, dalawa yung pwede nyo ditong pagpilian, QR code or barcode. So, maalin dyan guys, i-scan lang yan ng store na pinagbilhan ninyo ng mga items under SM and magkakaroon na kayo or makaka-earn na kayo ng points. So, kahit hindi nyo guys dala yung inyong SMAC card or Prestige card, pwede nyo pa rin siyang magamit. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba gamitin ang SMAC and Shop app para maka-earn ng mga SMAC points. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!